How to remove background into the Edits and Instagram app. If you have been using the Edits application and wondering on how to remove the background that you have added on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application, just like this. After opening it, tap onto this button at the bottom, select it. Now here you can find the projects right here. Now simply from the project, choose the photo or video that you have added the background, just like this. And here you can find the background right here that I have added. Now to remove it, simply tap onto this background. Then here you can find the delete option right here. Now tap on it. And now you can see the background has been removed. And that's it. This is how you can remove background into the Edits and Instagram app. It is a very easy process, right? And if you don't know how to add the background, you can simply check the video that I have posted on how to add the background or change the background. Now do the same process to remove the background. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.